I'm coming to you with another video. This is much different from the last video. This video is a walkthrough of a house that was redone, fixed and flipped by an investor. This is actually an open house for investors. They wanted me to put on these little booties just to protect the floors and the integrity of the house before the new owners come in and purchase it. This entire group are dedicated to investments, buying, fixing, flipping houses. This group is called Deal Finders in Columbia, South Carolina. I'm going to post some information in the description. If you're interested in joining this group, you can find that information in the description below. So we're going to do a walkthrough of this house that is newly renovated. If you have any questions or comments about this house, there's the guy who flipped it. They were congratulating him at the time when I walked in. Let's hear what Andrew has to say about this beautiful home.
This wall was moved, so now there's a full laundry space in here and a bigger bath. So the house is way better for it. So we're so excited to show that to you guys. We like to kind of start with how this deal came into the system. How did we find it? Where did it come from? These are a lot of people with that question. So this is actually a referral. So this is a person that knew me. I knew him years ago, but he knew that we bought and sold houses. Okay, so it's one of those networking opportunities when I tell our partners and everybody, you gotta let people know what you do. Tell everybody if you want to buy a house, you're looking for renovation, you want something that needs love. This guy, he was an investor also.
Extra.
He actually
This shit is
lived
hard.
the red door with yeah, so that was his. And so he was going to do this one, but life circumstances, things were just piling up and it was sitting for a while. I said, you know what, I'll just let that one go. So that's, if you want to do this business and you're about renovation property, something to flip or rent out, you gotta let people know that you're there. Otherwise you're running uphill. So that's where this one came from, and then of course we got together and worked on it. How did it get funded? You guys are using private money lenders on this, right? So again, letting people know whether they have a deal or they have a property. Money. We're always looking for two things. What is it? Deals and money. That's it. Every day, deals and money. So, so that's privately funded, and then going through renovation for
Extra. This shit is hard.
This one got brand new. From the bottom, it's called the vapor barrier down. Insulation, new subfloor, new roof, so top to bottom. Okay, so this one had a lot. So, what questions you have? We're gonna walk through. I'm gonna show you everything. This is David's deal partner deal. So this is his third one. So David, congratulations on your third deal.
All right, so after we popped some champagne for David, congratulations, David, we were able to take a tour of this house. You see, some of the investors were checking out the windows, talking and networking. The whole point of this was to talk and network. They also had pictures on the wall of what the house looked like previously. As Andrew let us know, this house was rebuilt from the bottom to the top. The roof was redone. You can see the exterior brick was repainted. This renovation cost about $86,000 for a 3-bedroom, 2 full bathroom house. And I didn't ask, but in my estimation, this house is about 1,100 square feet. So this is not a super huge house, but it is in a highly requested neighborhood. It's minutes away from the military base that we have here is called Fort Jackson Military Base. It's minutes away from that driving distance. And it is a very well-known neighborhood. This neighborhood is called Rosewood in Columbia, South Carolina. As you can see, they redid everything. Brand new appliances, fixtures, floors, cabinets. Even the windows have been repainted. Although they haven't been replaced, they've been repainted. I was able to walk through this home and see that the 3 bedrooms all came with a closet space. The lighting in this house was extremely impeccable. Look at the demo work that is done and the rebuild of this place. You can see that some of the studs, the wood in this home was rotten and had to be replaced. However, they did it, they got it done, and this home is ready to be on the market. If you are an investor or a future investor looking to pursue your dreams in fixing and flipping properties, this is the group to start with. Andrew will take you step by step and also partner with you to get the job done. He has a list of contractors and contacts, even realtors like myself in his group, that are ready and prepared to win you the best deal. I am super excited to be a part of this group. This is the mentorship that young professionals and eager professionals alike need to succeed in this real estate game. Last but not least, I wanted to check out this full bath. This is actually the laundry room. They created this room, so they had to push the wall back just to create this unique space. And I was waiting for my turn to get into this beautiful bathroom. It is newly reconstructed. It was just so beautiful. I just kept having to pan up and down because it looks so much better in person. Although I don't know where they're going to put the mirror because the window is there. Look at how beautiful. All white, black. They even did the outside landscaping. It's just gorgeous.